Hi guys, a quick one. I want to quickly show you how to make this kind of headband. So I made it with Ankara. Look at how it is. So I'm going to show you on this video how to create Ewo. So I'm going to show you on this video how to create this, how to make this kind of hairbands with the pieces you have in the house with your leftover fabric. So let's get to work. Look at how it is, very beautiful and simple. So let's get to work. So first I have my strap here, I have my pieces here. So what I have here is about 30 inch, and the length and here I have about 6 inch. So I cut out two pieces for it, and then I cut out what I'm going to be using for the backpack. So this is about 11 inch, and then this one depend on the size how you want it to be. You can make it long, can make it short. So here I have about 4, and then I'm just going to go ahead and bend it like this. Then I take it to my sewing machine to sew it around, and the same thing here. I'm just going to take it to my sewing machine to sew it down. Then after I'm done, then to sew it down, then I will now turn it to the right side. So you guys, I'm done sewing it. So what I'm just going to do now is to turn it to the right side. So I'll just look for, I'm going to use this to turn it to the right side. So you guys, right now I'm supposed to use iron to press it, but I don't have light, so I just have to do it like this because I have a lot of things to do on my table today. So now, for this other side, for the back, for the one that we're going to be using for the back, I'm just going to cut this elastic. Um I'm going to cut 6 inches. Then I'm going to use this safety pin to pass through to the other end. And then after that, I will take it to my sewing machine and stitch the elastic together with the fabric so that it will not loose out. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to just arrange this thing. Since I don't have light right now, I'm just going to arrange the band and make it look like as if I iron it. And then I will fold it like this, and then I will now take this other band, the one that I added elastic to it. So I will just carry it like this. I'll place it like this. Then I will fold it like this. See how I pleat it to? I'm going to tuck it in like this. I'm going to fold it like this. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine and stitch here. Then after that, I'll bring it back and show you guys what it looks like. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to rearrange this other side, this other band. I'm going to arrange it just the way I did to the first one. I'm going to arrange it as if I iron it because there's no light. So, and I have to finish this now, like now, because I have other things to do. So I'm just going to arrange it like this, and then look at this place like this that is open. So I'm just going to pass through and make sure that everything is equal. See, it's equal, and this is it. So now, so this side now, I'm going to just put it like this again. I'll keep it at the center, and then I will fold it like this. I'll fold this in like this, and then I'll take it to my sewing machine and stitch. So you guys, this is it, and the band, like this other band, it was supposed to be bigger than this. I use this small band because I just used a little piece of fabric that remained from my clothes, so I just have to use it like that. So it was not much, it was very small, so I have to manage it. And I think I love the smaller size, especially for Ankara. Like if you are using Ankara to do it, I think I prefer this smaller size. So now I'm just going to turn it to like this. See. Uh, this is it. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very neat, beautiful. So you guys, you can see how easy and simple it is to make. Everything is all about you being creative. So if you are creative, you can always use every piece of fabric that you have around you to create something. So this is me trying to weigh it, to size it, to see how it looks like. You can see very beautiful and easy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and follow us for more videos, for more tutorial. Bye.